If your company already runs on Microsoft 365, you probably assume Copilot is the AI that searches your SharePoint files, emails, and Teams conversations. But now there's another option. Gemini Enterprise can connect to Microsoft 365 too, and that creates a very interesting question. Why would a Microsoft company use Gemini to search Microsoft data? Here's what I found. Welcome to Microsoft 365 Quick Skills, the channel where you learn practical Copilot tips to save time and boost productivity. One quick note, I don't have Gemini Enterprise in this tenant yet, so rather than pretending this is a live demo, I went through Google's current documentation and setup guides to see exactly what it can and can't do, and the capability is more interesting than I expected. Think about where your company's information actually live. A contract might be in SharePoint. The latest customer update could be buried in Outlook. The conversation about it might be sitting inside Teams. Normally, you search each system separately. Gemini Enterprise gives organizations another AI interface for searching information from connected business systems. So this isn't about moving your company out of Microsoft 365. It's about giving you another way to work with the data already inside it. So instead of asking, which Microsoft app should I open? You can start with, what information am I trying to find? Instead of starting with 3 different apps, you start with one business question, and let Gemini search the sources your organization has connected. With Outlook connected, it can search email, calendars, and contacts, and with Teams, it can search channels, chats, and schedules. That's the important shift. So why use Gemini if you already have Microsoft 365 Copilot? Copilot has the advantage of being deeply integrated into Word, Excel, Outlook, Teams, and the rest of Microsoft 365. Gemini becomes interesting when you want an AI layer that can search Microsoft data alongside other connected business systems. So this isn't necessarily Gemini replacing Copilot. It's about choosing the AI that best fits the information you need. One thing to know, your IT admin may need to enable or approve these connections first. Dynamics 365 is supported too, but it uses a different setup, so I'll save that for another video. So Microsoft 365 data is no longer limited to just one AI experience. And that makes the Gemini versus Copilot decision a lot more interesting. Would you use Gemini to search your Microsoft 365 data, or stay with Copilot? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching.